Hi guys, welcome back to a new episode of Trading Basics. Today in this video, I'm gonna show you how you can log into your Metatrader Force account on PC. Keep watching the video till the end. To log into your Metatrader Force account, firstly go ahead and launch open your Google search. On the search box at the top, type in forex.com/account login and make a search. You will end up on the login page of Metatrader Force account. Enter your login ID and password associated with your Metatrader Force account. Choose your server and tap on OK. In case if you want your password to be remembered next time you log in, tick mark on the box that says Save Password. This is how you can log into your Metatrader Force account on PC quickly and easily, just in few steps. If you have any thoughts or queries, let us know in the comment section. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel. Also press the notification bell icon so that YouTube will notify you whenever we post a new video. I hope this video was helpful to you. Thank you so much for watching.